Welcome to my channel, Emedaj Fashions in-depth training, and this is a recap of what we're going to do in this video. First, divide your back measurement into 2. So supposing my back measurement is 16, divided by 2 is going to give me 8. Then for the armhole circumference, first, mark 1 inch for the shoulder drop down. Then next, armhole length. This depends on the armhole circumference or your bust measurement. So I'll be using 9 inches. Next, repeat whatever measurement you had for the back to the depth of the 9 inches you marked. Then join the 2 marks together. Next, we're going to create the front neckline. To get this part of your measurement, deduct the shoulder line from the back measurement. Then for this part, depending on how you want it, so I'm using 4 inches. Repeat whatever measurement you choose again. So mine is 4. Then whatever I had here, I'm going to repeat it. Then after, join your marks together to create an angle. Supposing my shoulder line is 5.5 inches and my back measurement is 8.5 inches. All I'll have to do is deduct the 5.5 from the 8.5, and the remaining is what I'm going to use in creating the front neckline. Use this method to create your curve. Join these 2 marks to create your shoulder drop down. Next, measure from the shoulder to the bust point or shoulder to nipple. Mine is 10 inches. Then shoulder to underbust. Mine is 14. This part also differ. Next, we're going to create the dart, and I'll be using waist measurement instead of nipple to nipple. So divide your waist measurement into 8 equal parts and mark from the waist to the bust point or the nipple. Then at the waist, mark 1 inch in and 1 inch out. Repeat the same thing at the underbust, 1 inch in, 1 inch out. Then after, join the marks together. Then from the underbust to the bust point, you can decide to make it straight or make it curve. And at the bust point, you can decide to come down by 1/2 inch. Then from your shoulder, come down by any measurement of your choice. I'm going to choose 6.5. So this is going to be our actual or the real front neckline. We're going to extend this line to the shoulder. So divide your shoulder into 2 equal parts. Then join the mark from the shoulder to the bust point. So from the upper bust, mark 1 inch in and 1 inch out. Then for the front neckline, come in or come down by either 1 inch or 1/2 inch. Then you come in by 1/2 inch again. So first you come down by either 1 or 1/2 inch, then you come in by 1/2 inch. So there is a small angle created here. So now for this part, divide your bust measurement into 4 and mark. So we're going to come in by either 1/2 inch or 1 inch. So we've already measured the bust. Now add sewing allowance. Then the bust, the dart we created, extend that measurement to the end. Then at the underbust, divide your underbust into 4 equal parts. Then add sewing allowance and then the dart we created. Repeat the same thing at the waist, divided by 4, sewing allowance, and then the dart, which is 2 inches. So after, join the marks together.